Nicole asks, will it take a whole school year to complete a level? Here's the deal. Some students spend a whole school year on a level, while others are able to work through the levels much faster. And still others need more than a year to complete some levels. That's because All About Reading and All About Spelling are mastery-based. They're designed to be completed at your student's individual pace. You can go as fast or as slow as needed. Now you may be wondering, how will I know how much to complete each day? Well, we recommend spending no more than 20 minutes a day on All About Reading and 20 minutes a day on All About Spelling. Remember, these programs are meant to be taken at your child's pace, so you can spread a lesson over as many or as few days as necessary. Simply start each session with a few minutes of review and then pick up where you left off during the previous session. If you have any other questions about teaching reading or spelling, we would love to hear from you. We're here to help.